job? What is my task and what is my purpose? If that answer is to save my country, this country will be saved.
This Saturday, 1 April, November 2023, it is the first day of the second quarter of a historic year. We've had the Harvard Business School and, of course, with Dr. Navarro, the Harvard Department of Economics, take on capital markets and the economy. I will come back and spend more time on Dr. Rabin, who's also at Harvard, about the insolvency of the banking system.